Hello, everyone, and welcome to our webinar, Unlock Your OpenEdge Applications with the Progress Data Platform. My name is Jessica Malakian, and I'll be today's moderator. So let's start by quickly introducing to you our speaker for today. Today, we are joined by Dan Mitchell. Dan is a senior principal sales engineer for Progress and has been with the company for nearly 20 years. He spent the 14 years prior to that at OpenEdge partner firm Next Trend Technology. Dan works with some of our largest direct customers and partners, helping them develop strategies that allow them to continue to take advantage of Progress technologies. I'll now turn it over to Dan to start the presentation.
Thanks, Jess. So yeah, today we're going to talk about unlocking your OpenEdge applications with the Progress Data Platform. For today's agenda, we'll start by looking at the data management challenges organizations are facing that are getting in the way of efficiency, scalability, and innovation. Then we'll talk about how to evolve what already works for you and how you can build on your existing investments. Next, I'll introduce you to the Progress Data Platform, walk you through its key capabilities and benefits, and then finally, we'll cover why now is the right time to act, what's driving urgency and opportunity. Let's start by looking at the current landscape of data and the key challenges organizations are facing. These challenges are shaping how businesses think about their data strategies, infrastructure, and the platforms that they rely on. According to Statista, global data creation is forecast to reach more than 394 zettabytes annually by 2028. That's per year. So I didn't know what a zettabyte was, so I looked it up, and that's actually a million gigabytes, which is an awful lot of data, and that's per year. Despite many initiatives that you have in place to modernize data management, challenges continue to exist. Privacy and security remain at the top of everyone's list. Government regulations around the world, along with persistent attacks by bad actors, have to be constantly monitored and managed. Data bias is a consideration, particularly when you're dealing with AI, but even internal data has to be presented in unbiased and responsible fashion. Big data is something many companies are looking toward, but there are multiple alternatives and technologies that have to be considered. Many of our OpenEdge users and partners are migrating data to the cloud. As data becomes more and more distributed, data management is going to become a bigger issue. You may not think about it, but managing the quality of the data is critical. You have to make sure that the data is timely and accurate. That's a challenge as you start thinking about more and more data sources. And of course, integration and interoperability are also an ongoing challenge. More and more business users are wanting complete views that include all data sets, but making it simple to consolidate data into a single view and use it with a variety of tools is a difficult challenge. We've seen today that today's data challenges are complex, but they're also surmountable. The next step is to look at the data you already have, assess your current capabilities, and envision what's possible. So we would say evolution instead of revolution. By evolving your existing data platforms and practices, you can unlock new insights, drive innovation, and stay ahead in a rapidly changing landscape. This is where it starts with a simple but powerful idea: evolve what works. You've built your business on the OpenEdge platform because it's proven, reliable, and built to support complex mission-critical applications. You know that. The Progress Data Platform isn't about replacing what works. It's about building on that foundation and unlocking new value from your existing investments. With the right platform in place, you can modernize on your terms, reduce risks, and position your business for what's next. So the question is, what if you could do more with what you already have? What if the data that's already running through your business every day could unlock deeper insights, help you move faster, and give you an edge over your competition? That's the power of the Progress Data Platform. It helps you turn raw data into real-time insights and then into action. So decisions happen more quickly, operations run smoother, and opportunities aren't missed. This is about making your data work smarter, not harder. This really sums it up. We're not here to talk about starting over or ripping things out. You've already invested in something that works. The opportunity now is to evolve it, extend its value, increase its flexibility, make it work even harder for your business going forward. That's what the Progress Data Platform is all about. Let's take a step back for a minute and talk about what today's business and IT leaders are really up against. First, agility. Markets are moving faster and faster, and so should your systems. That means breaking down data silos and connecting teams, processes, insights across the organization. Second is intelligence. It's not just about having data, it's about making it meaningful. Leaders need a way to integrate intelligence across the business so decisions are better and faster. And then third is real time response. Your teams need trusted, timely information at their fingertips so they can take action right when it counts. You already trust Progress OpenEdge platform to power your mission critical applications. It's the backbone of your business and has proven itself time and again. Now imagine what's possible when you integrate the full power of your data. As an OpenEdge user, when you leverage all of the products within the Progress Data platform, you can unlock even more value, deeper insights, and better outcomes across your entire business. This is where the Progress Data platform comes in. It offers a unified approach to your data, integration, intelligence, and governance. The platform empowers you with the tools to integrate all of your data sources, leverage intelligent insights, and support governance, security, and compliance, all within a single framework. With this, your data becomes more than just an asset, it becomes a true competitive advantage. As data volumes grow and technology evolves, it's clear that organizations need to evolve their data strategies as well. Relying only on transactional data just doesn't cut it anymore. To fuel modern initiatives, you need to connect, prepare, and govern all of your data effectively. Whether you're focused on analytics, AI, modernization, or even compliance, the Progress Data Platform can help you achieve all of these because it will increase the value of your open edge investment. It enhances the data you already have, allowing you to unlock more insights and drive more value from your existing systems. It also breaks down silos to accelerate innovation because it connects your data across teams, systems, fostering collaboration and speeding up the development of new ideas. And lastly, it's built on a trusted foundation for decision making. With unified governed data, you'll have a reliable basis for making strategic decisions that push your business forward. The Progress Data Platform is designed to support the evolution of your data strategy and fuel your next phase of growth and innovation. So now let's dive into what the Progress Data Platform actually is. At its core, the platform is a comprehensive suite of integrated technologies that helps you manage and unlock the full potential of your data. It enables seamless connectivity, advanced analytics, and real-time insight, all while promoting data governance and security. But what really sets it apart is how it connects and enhances the systems you already rely on, like OpenEdge. Let's take a closer look at how it works. The Progress Data Platform puts a strong focus on data management, making it the backbone of everything you do with your data. At its heart, it empowers responsible human in the loop AI. This approach helps reduce data bias and inaccuracies while producing outcomes that are clear, contextual, and actionable. By promoting data quality, the platform helps you drive more accurate insights and better decisions across your business. To truly unlock the full potential of your data and modernize your software, the Progress Data Platform plays a key role. It supports advanced data management and empowers AI driven applications. Whether your user is building intelligent analytics, enabling real time decision making, or implementing retrieval augmented generation solutions, the platform offers the capabilities they will need. These are some of the enterprise benefits that the Progress Data Platform brings. It enhances security and provide privacy, helping protect sensitive information. The platform supports regulatory compliance, making it easier to meet industry and government requirements. And by improving operational efficiency and reducing costs, it drives real business value. Most importantly, it enables advanced analytics and AI, empowering an organization to innovate and compete more effectively in a data driven world. The power of the Progress Data Platform will enable you to quickly achieve some significant wins in your AI strategy. By unifying access, you'll give your users a view to all of your data from a single place. This provides a foundation for enabling AI-driven insights and decision-making. By providing advanced capabilities for processing of your data, you'll have the ability to help AI systems provide accurate answers by providing relevant information from your data sets. With enterprise scalability, the Progress Data Platform will give you the performance that you need to support AI applications that require very large data sets. And lastly, with the platform, you'll have a security system that complies with industry standards and helps safeguard your data integrity. The Progress Data Platform will help you to unlock the value of all of your data. At the heart of the platform is your OpenEdge database. This is where many of you keep your enterprise's most critical data. As you start to consider using the data from other databases and the unstructured data in your enterprise, like PDF documents, spreadsheets, web pages, and other things, to enhance your data visibility, we have the MarkLogic database, which will hold, index, and consolidate all of the structured and unstructured content, making it easily accessible and searchable. To transform your data into meaningful and actionable intelligence, we add the Progress Semaphore product. Because connectivity to all different types of systems is crucial to accessing all of your data, we have the Progress Data Direct suite of products, which provides connectivity solutions for all of your integration initiatives. And lastly, to use your data more efficiently and support complex business decisions, the Progress Corticon product provides policy-driven rules management. So in summary, the Progress Data Platform gives you the tools you need to ingest, store, and index all of the data from your enterprise, curate it, and make it available to all potential data consumers. Through our robust connectivity tools, you can read and ingest the data into your data store from OpenEdge and any other source. You can use semantic integration and business rules to curate the data and create new content as appropriate. And you'll provide a gateway to operationalize the data and make it consumable through all different avenues, including AI integration. So let's talk about some of the key capabilities and benefits. Because of all your data will now be in one place, you'll be able to gain deeper insights into your OpenEdge data along with all your other data and promote faster business outcomes. You'll have a single point from which you can access all of your data. With the data stored in a high performance data store, you'll be able to stream analytics, data, and information for AI. The platform is built to handle enterprise scale data and continue to meet performance demands. You'll be able to meet your requirements for security, compliance, traceability, data integrity, and governance from a single place. You'll increase operational efficiency by simplifying and streaming key data workflows. And by consolidating all data, you'll reduce manual processing and data duplication. So what does that mean to OpenEdge customers? Now that you get the enhanced visibility into all of your data, you can gain deeper insights into the data stored in OpenEdge and make more informed decisions. You'll provide a hardened security model that's transparent, repeatable, and auditable, and you will provide your users with a 360-degree view of things like customers, operations, and assets through the harmonization of your enterprise data. So as an OpenEdge user, the Progress Data Platform will support your most important data initiatives. One of those right now is most likely retrieval augmented generation. For those who don't know, retrieval augmented generation allows generative AI models like ChatGPT to retrieve and incorporate up-to-date information from other sources when generating responses. Studies today tell us that AI models will frequently return inaccurate information or hallucinate. This is because the model trained cannot possibly incorporate every concept or piece of data. This is most relevant to you when your customers or users are asking questions of AI that include data that's proprietary to you and would not be known by an outside model. With the Progress Data Platform, when you make calls to an AI system, we can include all relevant information from within your data set so that questions may be answered more accurately and in a more personalized fashion. This gives you a much smarter interface for user interactions with tailored responses from AI. The data connectivity tools in the Progress Data Platform allow you to seamlessly integrate data from OpenEdge along with other data sources from cloud, APIs, other apps, or even IoT devices. You can load your data in real time, regardless of where it lives. If it's in OpenEdge or it's in the cloud or if it's on premise, regardless, you can retrieve data from most any relational database, but also you can get data from non relational sources like Salesforce or Microsoft Dynamics. You can even get data from databases using OData or REST services if you want to. Once the data is stored in the Progress Data Platform, it is retrieved by users doing something as simple as a basic Google like search, or it could be someone using an advanced BI or analytics tool. To make data retrieval more useful, you have the ability to take structured and unstructured data and view it from REST calls, ODBC, JDBC, or other pre-built interfaces like Sparkle, Java, or JavaScript. This seamless connectivity ensures that data flowing into your data store is real-time current and contains all possible data points from your enterprise when it's consumed. To make sure your data is as useful and understandable as possible, you should keep metadata with each document. Metadata is the data about the data and can help contextualize the data or define its aboutness. When we have accurate metadata for every document in our data store, our data becomes more actionable and useful for its consumers. Metadata comes from three basic places. Some metadata is available with the data as you load it into MarkLogic, things like creation date or document odor on a PDF, or an order date or a customer number on an order. Some metadata can be entered manually when the data is loaded, and some may be learned automatically by using data semantics or other analysis of the data. The Progress Data Platform creates and helps you manage a centralized metadata hub for all of your data. Regardless of where the metadata comes from, it will enhance discoverability of data, create standard definitions and usage, and will support data governance. Data lineage is the tracking of a document through its lifetime. By tracking the lineage of data, you can create what you might call a chain of custody for data to track origin, movement, and transformation of documents throughout their life cycle. Maintaining the lineage of your documents, you'll be able to support standards like GDPR. So if somebody asks to be removed from your data, you'll have an access to everything that refers to them, for example. You'll build user trust in the currency and relevancy of your data, and you'll simplify and optimize your workflows. With the Progress Data Platform, you can use semantic modeling to add meaning to raw data by looking for terms or concepts that can help to determine what a piece of data is about. By creating semantic models, sometimes people call them ontologies or taxonomies or knowledge graphs, in the platform, you can use semantic enrichment to add context and meaning to the raw data that you store, which makes it more usable and valuable. This will allow more intuitive querying, allowing smarter decisions, and providing more complete data to advanced analytics tools. So why is this important to OpenEdge users now? The Progress Data Platform empowers OpenEdge customers to make smarter, faster decisions by unlocking the full potential of all the data they have in their enterprise. By helping organizations streamline operations, increasing compliance and security, and unlocking new opportunities for analytics and AI, the platform is designed to drive real business outcomes. By combining trusted technologies into a unified platform, Progress provides a future ready foundation that meets the needs of today's most demanding enterprises, giving you the tools you need to stay ahead of the fast changing world. The thing about it is that this is a process that you can do over time. You don't have to flip a switch and say, this is all ready. The Progress Data Platform will adapt to your changing requirements as you go. But the ability to read and store data from all of your different structured and unstructured data sources gives your data consumers on the right side of this picture access to more relevant and accurate data in real time. In the Progress Data Platform, connectivity, orchestration, enrichment, storage, and integration are all built into a single solution. To get started, there are two paths that an OpenEdge user or partner should follow. The first one is to upgrade to OpenEdge 12.8. You're building on a solid foundation, keeping your applications more robust, reliable, secure, and ready for the future. The other step is to extend your capabilities with the Progress Data Platform. This way, you unlock the full potential of your data and applications. The platform will empower you to leverage AI, automation, and analytics, allowing you to make smarter data-driven decisions. Together, OpenEdge 12.8 and the Progress Data Platform provide a seamless and future-ready platform, equipping your organization to stay ahead in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. And now back to you, Jess, for questions.
So Dan, are you ready to get started?
Betcha.
Great. So the first question is, and I can take this one. This is asking if there are any resources on the data platform. So we do have a white paper that goes over some of basically your presentation, Dan. It goes over everything that we talked about today and some other use cases and examples. So that should go out in the follow-up email and on the thank you page for the webinar. So make sure to be on the lookout for that. And thank you, Susan. She just put it in the chat. So thank you. So yes, definitely check out that resource if you want to learn more. There's a lot of great information in there. So the next question is, how can I move data from OpenEdge to MarkLogic?
That's a good question because you have a lot of data in your OpenEdge database, potentially tens of terabytes of data. To make it actionable, we're going to put it into MarkLogic and index it. And there's a variety of ways you can do that. MarkLogic offers a tool that will just let you make an ODBC call or a JDBC call to extract the data from your tables and import it into MarkLogic. The way that I've done it in the work I've done is to write an ABL program which creates a JSON document. So a for each customer, for example, and then the language provides the ability to create JSON very easily. So you can just create a file that way and import it directly in. There's also, if you have PassOE and you're using a REST API, MarkLogic can call that and retrieve data that way. You can also export to XML if that's your preference. The key thing is the MarkLogic data is unstructured, so you don't have to send, for example, one document of orders and another document of order lines. You can actually say, you could send a document that has all the customer information, all the orders for that customer, and all the order lines for all of those orders in a single JSON. And when MarkLogic reads it in and indexes it, it will provide the same searchability that you get from the normalized view that OpenEdge requires in a structured database.
Okay, great. And the next question is the data platform something we host on-prem or is it a SaaS offering? If it is SaaS, how does it integrate with our on-prem OpenEdge environment?
Yeah, we do have this as an on-premises tool. Many of the large MarkLogic users, a lot of them are government agencies, host a MarkLogic server inside their environment. We do offer a cloud version of this so that you can, subscribe instead of the cost of spinning up your own servers. That's priced separately from the OpenEdge offering. The question, make sure I got the rest of it. Did that cover it? Yes, I'm not sure I got the last.
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, I think it was just asking, the second part was if it is SaaS, how does it integrate? But I think you answered it. Yeah.
Yeah, the connectivity tools that DataDirect provide, you get your ODBC drivers with your OpenEdge database. So you can use that even to get to on-prem. And again, REST or just direct document extracts will work. The other thing I would say is once you've extracted the data and you want to keep current, you can use the change data capture feature of 12.8 to say, okay, whenever a record changes, I want to send an update to MarkLogic. Or you could use replication triggers if you're not as current as 12.8 or you don't choose to use CDC.
Okay, great. And just looking at some other questions coming in. This one says, can we feed MarkLogic with Kafka messages?
Yes. MarkLogic has an adapter to pick up Kafka messages and ingest them in.
Okay. Great. So I think that's all we have. If you didn't get a chance to ask a question, just please respond to the email, and that will have ways to contact us, or just please reach out via the ideas portal or the CDP, and we'll be able to answer things a lot more quickly over there. But thank you so much, Dan, and thank you to everyone who attended today's webinar, and have a great
Or,
rest of your day.
hey, Jess, my email is on the first slide of the presentation when you get the recording. Feel free to reach out to me or directly to your OpenEdge sales or partner reps, and we'll direct you in the right way as well.
Sounds good. All right. Thanks, everyone.
Thanks, everybody.